Well, good afternoon, it's Derek here. It's just a quick update with the bike, coming along very nicely. I'll show you what I've done. Painted this wheel. Oh, wait a minute. Got to turn it around. Yes, I've painted this wheel. Look at that. No bearing noise, absolutely quiet as anything. Lovely. New spring on the brake rod. New stainless steel bolts for the adjusters there. Right, the engine's back. Water pump casing is steam vapoured, that whatever they call it. There was a problem with that. There was a blade broke on the pump. Starter motor's been all overhauled, new bushes and everything. That starter motor. All the new shaft and seals and God knows what. I've got a new chain and sprockets to put on it, so that should be good to go. That's what's left of the couple of the, what they call it, gaskets, and here's the old gearbox in there. That's the old gearbox, grey colour metal. Come back up here. I thought I pressed record and I hadn't. Look, still running, that wheel, still rolling. That's because of the new bearings I fitted in it. That's amazing. They're my bits. Realistically, if I took the bike out, put it back in the other way so the handlebars are facing this way, I could put the engine in. Within 5 hours I could have it up and running. That's all it'd take now, just about 5 hours work left on it. But I've still got to spray the panels. As you know, I've got all the paint for that. Can't move in here at the moment. Look at that, still going. Wow, but yeah, done a good job on that wheel. Just got to do the front. But I want the engine in and just to test ride it. I ain't bothered about having the fairing on. So I could just go around the block to make sure that the gearbox is good. Got to clean the radiator up there and then just fit everything back to how it was. Yes, we've had rain, well, a shower here in Coff. I've put my garden furniture there. Somebody's at my door. Anyway, there's a quick update just to let you know how things are getting on. And I'll let you be in the next video.